Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 110 of building the Ecto-1. This time we're starting on the other side. I don't know why it's got these little vent things on this side. It's very strange, but yeah. So we're doing a very quick build on this one. We've got our extra plate to put onto there, just like that. And that is held in place with 2 screws. Very nicely provided. My big pile of screws from this delivery. But let's just get that held in place on there. Not entirely certain why this is a separate piece. I'm assuming it is on the car, a separate panel. There we go. That is that done on there. And for this part of the build, that's that issue completed. Now, next time, I do already have the next pack delivered. So I shall be continuing the build very soon and starting the bits that I've already done in the last few issues on this side. And indeed, I think finishing the entire bodywork. I've got the final part of the rear to put together as well. So looking forward to that. But for now, that's it for this delivery. So let me clear this out of the way and we'll have a flick through the magazine. I'll see you for that in just a sec. So here we have volume 29, issues 107, 8, 9 and 110. We'll look through this and see what we've got to do. We've done all of the building, obviously, already. So that's all of that. And you've seen all of the building already, so that's all of that. Flick through that with no time to spare. And then we can look at what we got. Fort Detmering Ghost. I can't remember exactly who that is. But there we go. Obviously, as ever, feel free to pause and look at the words anytime you like. Animania. When animals go crazy, probably. I don't know for sure. There we go. That's that. Ecto goggles. About the equipment. And actual, looks like, you know, developed from actual things. Casting call, obviously, for the extra characters and things in the films. Shop board supervisor, entire job just looking after the storyboards and things. The amount of behind the scenes stuff in films amazes me every time I know about it. So yeah, there we go. And looking at this, what's this? Bruce Force. I don't know who that is. But yeah, I've already got this one, which is basically a duplicate of this pack, but with an extra bit. Instead of starting another side, which we're doing in this issue, we're finishing off the rear of the bodywork, I think. So yeah, that's that. That's that issue done. That's that delivery done. So I shall see you very soon for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.